all head to the back of the shell, eat out super biscuits.
Feeding the fishes!
Recommend us,
Now I'm looking for my parents at the broach of the Atlantic.
Exactly. How are you gonna find your parents? Remember what they look like?
I'm a bit new to the memory thing, so I can't say for sure. But something tells me they were mostly blue and maybe yellow.
That sounds right.
Also, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna know them when I see them. My family.
By the way, crossing the ocean is the kind of thing you should only do once. One time. Morro Bay, California's coming up.
Morro Bay. You know Morro Bay.
No? Where's that at?
This feels familiar. Well, I don't know, but there's only one way to find out.
Goodness. Okay. This is a mistake. We're backing away. Let us live. And we will worship you. We'll build like a monument. Swim for your life. Nemo, hold on to me. Don't let go. No. Dory, slow down. We're not being chased anymore.
Are you sure?